Okay guys, I got a 2002 Lexus LX470 climate control right here. I'm going to show you how to take it apart and get the motherboard out. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws we're going to remove, just Phillips screws. So let's get these removed. Okay, once we get all those off, we're just going to move this right here and expose this Phillips screw. Remove that one. Okay, now we can remove the motherboard out a little bit. From there, we're going to disconnect these 3 plugs. And then this one right here, you just push down. And that's how you remove it.